If you're confused about the plethora of intruder alarm standards, we will take you through the main requirements to ensure you have both a compliant intruder alarm system and installer. You want to know your intruder alarm system will meet the latest standards and that it meets the requirements of your insurance company, so that if you make a claim, it will be accepted. Your insurance company will specify the standards that it expects your intruder alarm company to comply with. The PD 662/2017 standard includes the main European BS-EN 50131 alarm product standards, along with the system requirements of the BS-EN 50131-1 for intrusion and hold-up systems, and the BS 8243/2021, which relates to alarm systems that require police response. If your property contains high-value goods or is likely to be a target for burglars, remote monitoring from the Alarm Receiving Centre, or the ARC as it's known, will provide an extra layer of security and added peace of mind and is likely to be a requirement of your insurance company. The PD 662/2017 and the EN 50136-1/2018 standards require the ARC to monitor these signals to ensure your security systems are functioning properly and protecting your property. For added peace of mind, you may want police response. For this, you will need a URN, which is a unique reference number. We are able to obtain this for your premises because we are an NSI Gold approved company. If you opt for police response, we will notify our ARC of your URN, enabling them to identify your premises if any alarms are triggered. Our NSI accreditation is important as it shows our security systems meet the rigorous requirements of the standards and the NPCC, which is the National Police Chiefs Council. BS 8243 is important as it's identified within the NPCC policy, which requires alarms to be confirmed in order to qualify for police response. If a false alarm triggers a police response 3 times, the home or business owner will need to go through several processes in order to get the police response reinstated, and their system will need to be upgraded to a system which produces a confirmed alarm. As an NSI Gold approved company, we can give you peace of mind that we will install standards compliant intruder alarm systems. Our suppliers and our ARC meet the necessary standards to ensure that you will meet insurance requirements to have a police response if you need it. If you'd like any more information, please visit our website or contact us on 01527 87 2000.